Hey, this is Volkswagen MIB2 standard, and I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode with OBDeleven. OBDeleven application is over here, dongle is connected to the OBD2 port, application is already connected with the vehicle, and right now I'm going to show you how the hidden menu looks like when the developer mode is not enabled. So when you press and hold on the menu button, you have those four options over here. And on older firmwares you will not have this phase swap option, so you will have 2 or 3 options, because this ITR whatever it is, it was introduced in one of the newest firmwares. So when we enable the developer mode, we should have access to other things. So let's get back to OBDeleven over here. Let's press this button to list all the modules in the vehicle. Let's scroll down to module 5F, which is the multimedia system. Let's wait a couple of seconds for the connection to be established. Right now scroll down to change service. By default we are in the diagnostic mode, and we want to change to development mode. And in this mode, go to adaptation, and one of the first adaptations that you will have is developer mode. It's not activated, so let's switch it to activated. Slide to write new value, and this should be it. We can disconnect from the vehicle, and right now over here press and hold for about 10 seconds to reboot the system, and after those 10 seconds we should see the Volkswagen logo over here. Let's give it additional 15 or 20 seconds to load up, and we should see the system as usual. And after that we are going to press and hold the menu button once again to check what's different. Okay, system is up and running, so let's press and hold the menu button for about 3 seconds, and we can see test mode, an additional option over here, and when we select it we have this test mode menu with a lot of different options. We have color presentation, so we can check how those RGB colors will look like, how those elements will look like. So maybe let's set it to red for just to check how it looks. And we can also go to green menu, which you can browse with the control wheel, or in modern units without the control wheel by tapping here to go down, here to go up, and press and hold over here to enter some option. And to exit this menu, just press pretty much anything. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you and see you soon.